We're out here at the Millers and conducting this polo contest, and a snake. Everybody thought it crawled away, but it snuck up on Rich's inch. I thought these guys were full of it. And here it is, man. We finally saw it. There's Rich right there. He's trying to get it out. It's up in the engine of his Mustang. We know for sure. We've seen it move. Big snake. Here it is. There you can see him right there. There it is right there, buddy. You can see it right there. Oh! See if we can get an angle on him. See if he comes from this side.
He's going back in the hole.
He's going back in the hole. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. He's up on this side. He's not coming out, though.
Don't poke him. You're not going to kill him.
John's got a poke on him. He's scared. Oh, John's got him. John's got him.
He's a bull snake. He's a bull snake. He's all right. Grab his ass. Grab it.
Get the water on him. Get the water on him. I can't believe. I thought they were pulling it. I mean, there's no way that snake's up in there. And then we saw it move. Pull him out, John. Don't be scared. Come on, it's not gonna bite you, John. No, it's not. It's not poison. They don't hurt you. Oh! He's on top of the wheel. Get back. Pull him out, John. Don't be scared. Come on, John. There you go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Back up. Back up. Come on, John. You got him. Grab its head.
Tail or head? Don't do the middle.
Don't hurt him. John, you have a hold of him?
Yeah, he's got him.
Let him come this
He's
way.
got part of him.
I'm letting him go. He's trying to go backwards now. He's trying to back up.
He's one of the bigger
Man,
bulls.
he's a big ass fucking snake.
Is he strong?
Hell yes, he's strong. He's all wind up in the freaking
He probably doesn't know how to get out.
water out of there.
I wonder if he's caught.
I'm stuck now because I can't let go. He'll bite me.
Don't let go of him, Rich.
What if you put water on him from this side?
He just needs to freaking get that.
Maybe he's stuck. No. He doesn't know how to get out. Guys, I videoed the whole thing. I videoed the whole thing. I got it on video. I can't believe that thing was